day everyone. My name is Alan A. Tolomia and I'm going to discuss about the probability of exiting entrepreneurship. And on the past reporter, they talk on how the business grow and uh, some strategy no para mo boom ang usa ka business. So on the Caledo et al. 2010 measured in GSO-EP stands for German Socio-Economic Panel, which ang work ani which is to survey some kaning mga business o ni grow ba ang laha o nindot ba ang cash flow. So in data sets that risk attitudes have a non-relationship with the entrepreneurial survival as the exit rates of medium risk takers. So kining medium risk takers mo ni ang usa ka entrepreneur nga ni take og risk nga naay business plan masking gamay nga kita pero sure pod ang profit. So sa 100% na sila 40% nga mo exit sa business. So in high risk taker naman sila itong mga risk taker nga anda mo take og risk sa dako nga business without planning. Ang goal lang nila is to gain higher profit. So prone yun sila sa exiting entrepreneur. While a positive relationship emerged from the literature regarding risk taking in initial entry into self-employment, there appears to be a more complex relationship between risk taking and growth. Exit choices. These early results need further verification using data from other countries and different entrepreneurial population. So in general nag-study diri nga about 50% of new business fail within first 5 years and 70% to 90 fail within 10 years. So naa ko'y kining stages of probability of exit of a business. So in the first year, syempre bago pa mo mag-state ta og example restaurant. In the first year, sa 100% nakay 80% survive and exit is 20%, which is bago pa man imuhang business nga restaurant. So makaakit pa siya mga tao tungod sa new product nga imuhang service. So in the 5 years na po kay 50% survival and 50 exit. So ang mga tao manggod magkuan mo sila sa mga new product para og something new sa imuhang business. So og dili nimo ni encounter ning kuana in the 10 years imong survival rate is 30%, then exit is 70%. Tungod kay wa nimo gamitig strategy para mas mo boom ug balik ang imuhang business. So why do business exit? Natay two types of exit: the involuntary exit and voluntary exit. So ang involuntary exit nag-stand siya as failure sa imong business tungod kay hinay ang cash flow and lack of demand and high competition. So mingon tag poor cash flow, kung di nimo ni siya tungod sa cash flow, tungod sa lack of demand pod, so imong cash flow hinay siya mo nang makakosya og failure sa imong business. So napo tay voluntary exit or nag-stand for siya og successful exit. Acquisition, merger, IPO, or moving to a better opportunity. So state tag example, restaurant. So sa usa ka community daghan mo nag business dira og restaurant. So tungod sa high competition, ni-exit ka na nga business and nag-change ka into mga parts sa mga sakyanan, which is need yun sa community. So now we saying diri no nga exit does not always mean failure. Entrepreneurs may exit by selling the business accusation, merging, or voluntarily shutting down due to better opportunities. So dili tanang exit nga na nagpasabot nga failure. Nay uban nga exit tungod kay naa pay mas nindot nga opportunity nga na ilang in the future. Ug mora to, thank you.